I know you're out there thinking about where you come to invest. Now I got you. The visual land plug here again with Decam Properties. I got an idea. What are you waiting for? I have one more project. 60% sold out, 40% remaining. As you can see, angalia view baba. Any place unaweza leta watu wakienda wakisema tumeinvest juu tumekuwa the whole ya nini nini. You got one of a kind. This one is for you. Wenye mmekuwa huko tao mkisema CBD kelele nini, sikia praise vile imetulia. Kabreeze, as you can see, Kabreeze kana kupiga vizuri sana. And it's only going for 1.1. Na unapewa flexible payment. So, don't be out for this one. Come be inside. Be in this one. Decam Property, we got you. And we have what you are looking for. Come to the side.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my